Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new Sonos Roam 2, the successor to one of the most beloved portable Bluetooth speakers on the market. Stick around as we uncover whether this upgrade is worth your attention. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The Roam 2 comes neatly packaged, and right away, you notice its compact form factor. Sonos has kept things familiar here, maintaining the sleek design that made the original Roam a hit. What stands out immediately is the new color options. I have the Wave Blue variant here, which adds a refreshing splash of color to the lineup. When it comes to build quality, the Roam 2 feels sturdy yet lightweight. It retains its IPX67 rating, making it dust and waterproof, a great companion for outdoor adventures. What's new and noteworthy here is the addition of a dedicated Bluetooth button on the back. This small but significant improvement allows for hassle-free Bluetooth pairing right out of the box, a feature many users will appreciate. Now, let's talk about the sound. Sonos has always been known for delivering impressive audio quality, and the Roam 2 continues that legacy. Whether you're streaming Bruce Springsteen's classics or the latest hits from Olivia Rodrigo, the Roam 2 reproduces clear vocals and a rich, balanced sound profile. It's certainly geared towards those who prioritize audio fidelity in their portable speakers. Connectivity-wise, the Roam 2 supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, seamlessly integrating into your Sonos ecosystem with the Sonos app. Setting it up via Bluetooth is now easier than ever, thanks to the dedicated button. As for battery life, Sonos promises up to 10 hours of playback, which is decent for its size and usage scenario. Of course, actual performance may vary depending on volume levels and connectivity options. So, should you consider upgrading to the Sonos Roam 2? If you're a fan of Sonos audio quality and appreciate the convenience of a portable speaker that's easy to set up and use, then absolutely. While it doesn't reinvent the wheel, the addition of the Bluetooth button and new color options make it a solid choice in the competitive Bluetooth speaker market. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Sonos Roam 2, or if there are any other products you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more from Product Critique.